Hi there, it's Anne again. Today we're going to take a look at erasers, something a little close to my heart. I love to draw, and an eraser is a necessary part of the equipment. I need it a lot, so let's take a look. Hi there. Well, I think we all know that I like to draw, so I thought maybe I'd like to talk a little bit about how I get rid of my mistakes. So I've just got a test patch here, and I thought we'd talk erasers. This is your basic white plastic eraser. You know the thing. Everybody's got them. Does a pretty good job. It definitely erases. A lot of people really like them. My problem with it, it's not the erasing, it's the schmutz it leaves behind that then I have to get out of the way. I rub it off with my fingers and I smear my drawing. This, however, is a good use of this stuff. You cut a little wedge off it, make a nice tight edge, and then you can get into some precision erasing with it. You still have the same problem with little bits, but smaller scale, so it's not as annoying. Okay, let's move on to a different one. This is a precision eraser. It's also made of the same sort of white plastic stuff, but it gives you good control because it's pencil shape. As you can see, I can get a pretty good line with it. They come in a couple of different shapes. There's round. This one's the rectangle shape so that I can get it into a fine edge. Okay, this. I've blocked out the noise so you don't hear it. It's loud. A lot of people absolutely swear by their electric erasers. Me, you can see how well this is going for me. I don't know if it's just the eraser I bought, if they're just not for me or what. A lot of people really like them. But try as I might, not for me. So let's move up to the MacDaddy of erasers. This is my favorite. It's a kneaded eraser. And kneading it's an important part of the process. It's just like playing with clay when you're a kid. But look at the erasing it does. It's clean, and it actually picks up the graphite and keeps it. It doesn't spread bits of anything on your artwork. And then you just knead it back in there, and it's ready to go for some more. What you can also do is take little pieces, form them into a point or whatever shape you need, and you can get in some pretty tight spots with that. Nice clean erasing. And then just knead it back together. Something very satisfying about that. Now this is what I like to do when I have a sketch ahead of painting. I just pick up some of the graphite like that, so I just leave a light outline. And there we go, and you can use these for a long, long time until they look like this. This one's picked up so much graphite. It used to be yellow too, because that was my favorite color for them. And it weighs about 3 times what the fresh one does, just from the amount of graphite stuck in it. It takes a long time to get to that point though. Here's another erasing tool that this is good for some circumstances. If you need to get in and make a really tight, clear line somewhere, you can actually just use this stencil and erase right through it and leave clear lines. Not something you use very often, but then again, the stencil is only worth a couple of dollars, so it's kind of a fun thing to have on hand. You can see I can leave pretty good lines there. There. And again, knead the eraser, and it will be ready for next time. The one thing I do make sure I do with this is here I'm putting it back to something close to being square so that it can go back in its little container. It just squishes right in there, snap it closed. It'll be soft and ready to go next time I need it. And that's my eraser collection.